Hello people, good day. So today is Father's Day and nandito kami sa Mission Bay ni Chloe and ang husband ko and wala, dito lang kami magsuspend ng Father's Day ngayon sa park and ang ganda dito kasi ano siya, may bay tapos connected yan sa dagat tapos may park din. Yeah, madaming playground dito sa area na to and yan, pwede ka mag-set up ng mga picnic picnic area nyo. Like, eto naglatag kami ng mat, may table kaming dala, upuan, and food. Bumili lang yung husband ko ng food sa In-N-Out. And yeah, simple lang yung celebration namin ngayon kasi ang dami naming travel soon, ang dami naming ganap kasi nga pupunta kaming Universal Studios and then magsa San Francisco din kami kaya simple lang yung celebration natin pero ang ganda dito, grabe, super nakaka-relax. Actually, wish ko nga talaga makasama ko naman yung family ko dito sa park na to kasi ang ganda, nakaka-relax, may enjoy nila dito. May mga nagsuswimming, may mga nagbabike, scooter, and kami ni Chloe nagki-crayons. Ayan.
And scooter.
Ayan, nagki-crayon lang kami. Nagkukulay lang kami. So, ayan, nasugatan pa ako kanina. Ito, habang nagme-makeup ako.
Malaki.
Na-scratch yung sarili ko dun sa blade.
Malaki. You can already do it.
Okay, what's your message to all the dads out there?
Dads, I wish I could give you a surprise and also my dad.
Yeah, what's your message to them? Do you want to say thank you? What's your message?
Thank you.
Okay, how about your message to your daddy? What's your message?
I love you, Daddy. Happy Father's Day.
Okay, what else you want to say to daddy?
I love you. Thank you for what you're doing every time.
What is he doing ba?
Working every day. He's an engineer.
He's not an engineer.
Oh my.
He fixes cars.
Yeah, he's a co-worker.
What is that? Anyway, ayan, pakita ko sa inyo yung setup namin. Ayan, so ito yung table namin, and ito yung nilatag naming mat. And then, may toys din ni Chloe. And ayan yung view. Ooh, super ganda. So, ayan yung bay, and ang daming mga nagpipiknik, swimming, and all. Yan yung mga nagsiswimming doon. You like it here?
Yeah.
And then, meron ding coffee shop dyan. Ayan, coffee shop yan. And then, may CR din dyan. Kung gusto nyo nang malinis na CR. And marami ding CR dito, everywhere.
I'm confused because what is a
Ito yung, wait lang yung microphone. Ito yung celebration namin ng Father's Day. And then, soon madami pang vlogs kasi nga daming travel this coming July. And, yeah, yun lang. So, kain tayo mamaya ng lunch pagdating ni Raymond. And, dito lang kami magsuspend ng whole day. Siguro maglalaro o walking. And, eto, magre-relax, magnanap. Oh, nakakaingit naman yung nagsiswimming. Look at the kid, Chloe. Nakakaingit. Pero ang lamig kasi, alam niyo, ang lamig dito sa spot namin. Kaya parang hindi ko kakayanin mag-swimming. Pero siguro baka dun mainit. Kaya nga, naka-shirt lang ako kanina. Kinuha ko lang yung jacket ni Raymond kasi ang lamig talaga, ang hangin. Anyway, so, magko-color muna kami kasi isa to sa mga nakaka-relax na activity namin ni Chloe. Ayan. You like it?
I done.
You're done na agad. Take your time. How about the bees? You need to color the bees.
Those are flies.
Oh, those are flies? I thought they were bees. Okay.
Because they have no stinger.
Okay.
Only bees are similar to flies. Bro, very similar.
Ayun. Super ganda talaga dito. Nga pala, I just wanna say Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng mga fathers. Whether nasa Pinas ka man or nandito sa US. And I don't even know kung may nanonood sa akin ng mga father. But Happy Father's Day sa inyong lahat. And kung wala ka namang father or ikaw yung tumatayong father para sa anak mo, Happy Father's Day pa rin sa inyo. And Happy Father's Day din sa mga tatay natin na nasa heaven na. And
Mommy,
yeah,
what should we color
yun
that?
lang. Super sarap lang ng araw ngayon, nakaka-relax. Even done with mine. I'm not even done coloring mine and you're on your third page. Honey, what is this? Are you
I'm
in a
gonna wait
rush?
for you, okay? I'm gonna wait for you this time.
Okay, because I take my time. I don't rush.
I take my time to color perfectly.
I take my sweet time.
I take my time, but it's fast time. I take my fast time. Whoa, that sun is so cutie. So small. That should be the baby sun. Look at, look at. I don't worry about anything. That's not even much. How about we switch?
Switch what?
Switch your color because
No, you don't need to wait for me. You can finish this one. I wanna color the
I want to wait for
jellyfish
you
purple.
because I take my fast timer coloring because I'm fast. Yeah.
You're in a rush, girl.
I'm addicted to coloring. That's why I'm fast.
Really?
I'm addicted. I'm
Why you
addicted.
like coloring?
Because I'm addicted. I'm born to be colored.
What?
I'm born for coloring. Not I'm born to be colored. What are you born for?
Want to be a mom.
Born to be colored!
Panood din pala to ng husband ko.
Mama,
Wait, let me muna say my
Mama,
message to
mama,
daddy. Let me say muna my message to daddy. Baka nga pala mapanood to ng husband ko. Although binati ko naman na siya sa Facebook. In case you're watching, I just wanna say Happy Father's Day. We
Happy
love
Father's
you.
Day!
And we appreciate
And we
you. And we're
appreciate.
grateful for you.
And I'm grateful for you.
And we love you.
And I love you. Mm.
Okay. Anyway, alam niyo, meron akong kinakain na snack. Eto. Ang sarap niya. Nabili lang namin to sa Seafood City. Ito, crispy fish na, ano ba to? Crispy fish. Basta ang sarap niya, para siyang tuyo, pero hindi siya maalat, matamis siya na tuyo. So, para siyang naging chips na medyo may pagkamatamis yung lasa niya. Sarap niya, in fairness. Can you open it, Nak?
I can't open
You
it.
can't? Okay, wait, let me open it.
I want to try it.
You haven't tried it? I'll get a small piece.
I want this piece.
Oh, that's big, honey.
No, it's not.
This one is small. You wanna try this one?
What?
'Cause-
Small.
Mhm. Ganito itsura niya, oh. Yan. And it's crispy. Mm.
So crispy.
It's sweet, no?
Yeah.
Mm. Mm. It's good. Try niyo to. Sunly yung tatak. Made in ano ba to? Yeah, made in USA lang din pala. Kala ko naman galing Pinas. It's really good. But we're gonna eat na. We're just waiting lang for Raymond.
Even in the book, I have a plan and my paper. Girl, I don't know. What we need here. They're calling me. We're waiting for Christmas to father.
Almost done.
You don't need to card the whole thing. I don't think so. This is gonna be you.
What? No, I don't want to be George. Is this George?
No, it's Peppa Pig.
It's not.
Mom.
Peppa is right here, oh.
Mommy Pig.
Peppa. Huh? Where's George?
George.
He's not here?
Oh. You will look at the Peppa Pig.
Okay, so I'm gonna be Peppa, and who are you?
I'm gonna be. Wait. I'm gonna be your neighbor.
You're gonna be my mom?
Yeah.
So, dala namin tong farmhouse ni Chloe. Yan yung beach house niya.
What maybe something else?
Ang ganda ng mga
I
toys
want to
na.
be an outfit.
Sasend ko nga dapat to sa Pinas eh, kaso hindi naman natuloy yung uwi. So, next time na lang. Ganda siya. Does this one move? I think this one moves, right?
It knows would help. Mommy, it's not. Hey.
eat. Yeah, what is that?
I can say it many times. And a burger. And the last burger, I said a small burger.
Like that. So, malalagyan ng burger?
Così che ne kela come che te chocolate
My favorite. Chloe's favorite. Ooh.
It's too big.
This might be it. I'll make it smaller.
Cheers.
It's a weekend. A B and a. Oh, the A, B, C, D, E, F.
I find a hidden cove where the dolphins rove. I watch them dance in the ocean's cove. I build a sandcastle high. I touch the summer sky. I sit around a fire, share stories that will never tire. I found the feeling of summer. I fell in love with the feeling of summer. The breeze is playing soft through the palm trees. Secret southern feeling. Melody soothes my heart's trouble. Winds down, the wind in my hair. I feel so free.
People. So, Father's Day pa rin today. Pero nakauwi na kami ng bahay. And, ito nag-work na ako kasi Monday na sa Pinas ngayon. And, ang dami natin ginagawa. As in, ang daming work na kailangan tapusin today. So, yan. And, so, tapusin ko lang to and then need ko na rin mag-edit kasi kailangan ko na mag-upload dahil June na ako mag-upload today. So, medyo busy tayo today. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung magulo kong table. So, ayan yung table natin. Huwag niyong pansinin yung mga kalat dyan. Ito yung laptop ko kasi meron akong inaayos dito sa work. And ito yung notes. Ayan, nanonood lang ako kay JM Bangkisyo. So, yan. Good morning, guys! And breaking news, nahanap namin kahapon yung susi dun sa pool sa may clubhouse. So,
And we're
magsiswimming
going
kami.
to the pool
Yeah, we're
because
going.
we got the key. We found it.
We found the key
Yeah.
yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, punta tayo dun ngayon. At ako rin na-miss ko na rin kasi yung jacuzzi. Kaya, punta tayo. Sarap kasi ng coffee ko. Kaya parang ayokong iwan. Anyway, ba? We have to go there na. And, of course, sasama ko kayo. Okay, let's go. So, naka-shirt lang tayo.
Sure, no, Carlo.
Ayan siya.
Catch up
go na nga at maingay na siya. Let's go.
Where's my slip?
Go, good. Okay, let's go.
His name right here. I don't know who lives in this house. Mom, I don't know.
What do you
I
mean?
don't know who lives in this house.
Hey, why am I here? Let's go.
Time to do it, girls. I'm so excited. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go to the warm pool. This is the warm pool. This is where the warm pool is. You see? Done.
Can you check if there's other people? Ooh, there's nobody.
It means we can go there. I'm so excited for this.
Ooh.
Let's go to the pool. Ew. I'm not dirty.
How are you feeling?
Good.
Excited ka na? Is it warm? Can you check? Is it warm?
It's warm.
It's warm. And it's clean, huh? In fairness.
No, it's not.
It is. Those are just flowers. Let's check the other pool muna.
Ew.
If it's warm or cold.
It's hot because of the sunlight.
Can you check? It's cold.
It's cold. Mom, what makes you think you do it? Yes. Yes.
Ooh, it feels good, no?
Yes.
The warm water feels good.
Relaxing.
No, konti naman. One more. So you feel fresh. And hi! Nandito na ulit kami sa may pool area. So ito yung favorite ko na pool. Itong jacuzzi. Naka-off lang yung mga parang massager niya and bubbles. Pero warm pa rin naman siya. Lagi naman naka-on yung heater nito. And yung isa naman is normal lang yung temp niya, which is malamig. So, yeah. Nakaka-relax. Ayan. Ganyan lang kami ni Chloe. Yeah, I will. Slowly. I'm trying to relax. Are you relaxed right now? Mm-hmm.
Relaxing niya. It is relaxing na.
Yeah, super sarap. Super nakaka-relax. Tsaka ang maganda lang kasi dito, lalo na kapag nagsiswimming kami ng weekdays, wala kasing ibang tao lagi. Usually talaga kami dalawa lang ni Chloe kasi nasa work siguro yung mga tao or nasa school. Yeah. Tahimik lang dito sa community namin. So, kadalasan to. Dati kasi halos everyday kami nagsiswimming ni Chloe. Pag morning, kami lang talaga yung tao. Pero pag hapon or gabi, lalo na pag weekend yan, medyo may mga nagsiswimming ng ibang tao.
Yummy.
Meron pa pala akong isang ichichika sa inyo. Secret lang natin to I hope hindi nanonood yung mga family members ko. Umorder kasi ako ng GLP-1, yung pampapayat na ini-inject. Well, na-try ko na yun before. Nag-stop lang ako kasi yung una kong na-try, which is yung Ozempic, masyado siyang matapang. And then, na-hospital ako 2 beses. Kasi mali rin yung diet ko nun. Tapos hanggang sa, hindi na siya kinover ng insurance ko. Pero nag-work yun sa akin na nabawasan ako ng 20 pounds dun. And then, ngayon hindi na siya covered ng insurance ko. So, ang out of pocket ko dun is $1,000 na sa sobrang mahal. Anyway, tapos nakatry din ako ng, wow! Wait lang, I'm gonna make chika lang, okay? Tapos nag-try din ako ng compound version ng semaglutide. And okay naman siya, kaso medyo mahal pa siya nung time na yun kasi bago-bago pa lang yung mga company na merong compound semaglutide. Tapos ngayon, naisipan ko na mag-try ulit kasi in preparation for wedding ng sister ko dahil yung isang sister ko nung kinasal siya last year, oh my god, sobrang taba ako na nila. Ayoko na ulit maging ganun. So, magta-try tayo ngayon. Update ko kayo. I think yung gamot is gonna be here next week. And then, i-upload ko yung journey ko ng pag-i-inject. And hindi na siya semaglutide ngayon. Tirzepatide na yung itatry natin, which is mas effective daw and mas less yung side effect. So, yun. And then, yung mga kamag-anak ko kasi na gumamit nun, na mga kasing tataba ko rin. Pumayat
Mommy,
talaga
look,
sila. As
Mom.
in, pumayat talaga at nag-glow yung itsura nila. Wow! Kaya itatry natin yan. Excited na rin ako i-share sa inyo.
Mommy, look,
Sana
it's
talaga
floating.
pumayat na tayo.
Mommy, it's
Ma-reach na natin
floating.
yung goal weight natin. Kasi, ayun, nakaka-excite. Para
Mommy,
naman
it's floating.
maka-outfit tayo ng maganda dito.
At the end, what do you want?
So, update ko kayo sa journey na yan. I-vlog natin yung every inject natin and every timbang natin and yung mga side effects natin and all. So, yeah. And kung meron sa inyo dyan nanonood na nag-i-inject din, share nga kayo ng mga tips sa akin and mga experiences nyo. Yeah. Let's eat lunch habang nanonood tayo ng Showtime. We're gonna share this, Chloe and I. We're gonna share this and this is our lunch. Panda. Luto tayo ng kinamatisang isda na pampano. And ito na yung magiging dinner natin, yung kinamatisang isda. Kasi, wala lang. Gusto ko lang ng fish. And si Chloe ay natutulog na. Napagod ata siya sa pagsaswimming namin. Pinag-aaral ko tapos nakatulog. Guys, nagpagupit ako ng hair dito sa mall. Hindi ko na na-vlog kasi kinakabahan ako. Akala ko hindi siya marunong magupit. Pero maayos naman. Mukhang okay naman. We're like twins.
Sorry.
Look at your hair. Dito na kami sa Target. And nakabili ako ng shirt sa H&M. Pero kay Chloe wala. Kaya hanap tayo dito sa Target. Back here, naghahanap na naman kami na for Chloe. Oh, this is slimes. Kaso tumitigas kasi ito after eh. Ito sana gusto ko kaso wala nang ibang design. Nagawa na namin. That one? Wait, let's check. Which one do you want? Oh, this one is cute. DIY. Alright. Anyway, ito yung nabili natin kay Chloe. So, tingnan nga natin siya. Let's open it.
Yay! I'm gonna see what's this.
Pero tingnan nyo naman yung itsura. Parang gusto ko siyang inumin. Parang melon. Parang melon drink. No? It's like a melon drink.
Yeah. But
It
it's actually
smells so good. Right?
yeah.
It smells so good. I'm gonna drink it. It smells like I wanna drink it.
Then buy one of her
Wait,
red.
how do you open this? Oops. Oh, look at this, guys. Tingnan nyo naman yan. Let me check. Oh, what is this? Let's try it again. What is this?
I don't know.
It's like a sponge. It's like a sponge or something. You play with it. No? Oh no, don't put it here, sa. This is gonna be hard to clean. Just here. Do you like it? Can you see? I think you should take out the whole thing. Let's put it here. Ooh! Oh my god, girl, what's that? it's super. Ooh! What is that, girl? Ayun na yung priceless yung face na yun. But look at this. Magsaing muna tayo at di pa pala ako nakapagsaing. So, ayan nga yung haircut natin. Gamit ko na ulit yung camera. Gumana na siya. Nag-update pala siya kusa. Ayan. It's giving tita and it's giving summer.
Mommy!